Okay, everybody, today we are going to look at, as you can see, not one, but two, yes, two properties of exponents. So let's look at the first one here. It is raising a power to a power. So these are actually not too bad. That's why we're going to do two of them. Well, when I have this, well, 5 raised to the fourth squared, well, like anything squared, it's the thing inside multiplied by itself. So this is 5 to the fourth times 5 to the fourth. Well, if you think about this, well, 5 to the fourth, that's really 5 times 5 times 5 times 5, 4 times. The exponent just tells me the number of times to multiply the base. And so that's 4 times. And this one, same thing. So I'll have 5 times 5 times 5 times 5. Well, that altogether gives me 8 5s that I'm multiplying together. So I'm just going to write this as 5, and I add, or multiply 4 times 2, gives me 8. So that's my answer, 5 raised to the 8th power. Of course, you could simplify that. I'm not going to, but you could. All right, here, same thing. I have a cubed times a cubed times a cubed. That's 3 and 3 and 3, or 3 times 3. So that's going to give me a raised to the 9. Just to make this a little more challenging, we can do this with a fraction. X raised to the 2/3 quantity cubed. Well, this 3 will cancel with that 3. So that's going to give me a power of x squared. Oh, I forgot to write my box on my other answer there. Here we go. X squared is my answer for that third one. That's raising a power to a power. No problem. All right. If we come down here, raising a product to a power. Also not bad. Here, we're going to raise everything in the parentheses to the power outside. So, this is 3 times x, and I'm raising it to the power of 4. Well, all I need to do is say, well, this is 3 raised to the 4 times x raised to the 4. So this 4 applies to everything within those parentheses. I will go ahead and multiply this out. 3 times 3 is 9, times 3 is 27, times 3 is 81, x to the 4th. So that's my fully simplified answer. Here, same thing. 2, I have a 2 here. That's going to get that cube on the outside, as well as the a. So the a will also be cubed. 2 cubed is 8, so I'll just write down 8a cubed. All right. Only variables here. X to the 4th and y to the 4th. So that's my answer. X, this 4 goes here, and the 4 goes here. X to the 4, y to the 4th. Easy peasy. All right. Last one here. Now, this one's a little challenging because we have exponents already inside the parentheses. So what are we going to do? Well, first thing we're going to do, let's write that x squared. And yeah, we're going to raise it to the 4th. And then I'm going to write my y cubed. Y cubed. And I'm going to raise it to the 4th. And hey, guess what? I get to use this other power, raising a power to a power, this other rule that I just talked about. So, x squared raised to the 4th, well, that's x squared times x squared times x squared times x squared 4 times. Or I could just multiply these. 2 times 4, much easier. X to the 8. And same thing here. Y cubed raised to the 4th, I could y cubed times y cubed times y cubed times y cubed, add all those up, but I don't need to because I know 3 times 4 is going to give me the 12 that I need. So that is my answer, x to the 8th, y to the 12th.